Dramatic obsidian magma rift typography effect in Pelab Essing a dark, premium volcanic style. Begin with a deep black background and subtle smoky texture. Add bold, Jaffaite aangeven het a glossy obsidian surface witte hard metallic hegeligheids. Create irregular cracks acrothriatus te letters Essing ten orange red linus, ten add a brigit eil of orange inner glof te make te cracks apar fillet witte molten magma. In crease te glof around major Physirus wyle keping te outer etges dark aan poleset. Add a soft red atmospherisch glof begin te tet, stattered sparks, tenai embers, and fine smoke voor depte. Isolated sadoffs, hegeligheids, blur and transparency to create realistic dimensionality. Finesse with a strong contrast and